First Monday back in 2019 is done. Let's turn off the smart board. Hey, it worked that time. And kill the old smart TV. There's our assignments for today. Hey, Bob. So you might be wondering, okay, why am I making a YouTube video? Why am I doing blog style? Well, I tried to do one over the weekend with my Canon, and it didn't go so hot. So I decided, let's see what I can do with just my cell phone. So we're going to finish up here at the school, head on to the house, and instead of doing the topic I was going to do, we'll save that for another time. I think I'm going to cook a little dinner tonight. Nice day. Hi, Brian. Say hi, Bray. So that's my boy Bray. He's first time on camera, a little camera shy. I've wanted to, for about the last few weeks, start a YouTube channel. And I already have a YouTube channel, but I want to get a little more active with it. I'm always talking to my students about they need to get out and do this. They need to make media. That's the best way to get better at it. But sometimes I feel like a little bit of a hypocrite because I'm not out making media like I need to. And while I'm pretty good at some things, like I'm okay at graphic design and I'm pretty good at editing, I still need to get better at others. I'm a decent shooter, but I could be better. And, well, this is one way to get better, is to just make videos. So I figure what we'll end up doing is making a little dinner together. Chicken and rice sound good to y'all? By the way, this is some of the best coffee ever. It's from Kentucky Nose Coffee. Caramel Bourbon Barrel Coffee. That wasn't an advertisement. I just like their stuff. So we're going to start by setting the oven to 400. Next we add in 2 packs of Uncle Ben's Wild Rice Instant Mix, brown rice, cream de mushroom, and cream of chicken. Yummy. Do a little mixing. Pepper on top of the rice. Doesn't really need too much salt. Plenty of that from the soups. And on this one, we'll get this chicken right on top. Favorite poultry seasoning, or in this case, essence. Here's something you may not have expected. We're actually taking onion soup mix or onion dip mix. You know, you find it in the soup aisle over near the dips. French onion soup mix and just sprinkling it on there. It's going to give us a nice little bit of a crust. And I can't do too much because of the whole keto thing. We're going to let this go about 45 minutes, then we'll take the foil off and then finish it for the last 15 uncovered. So for those of you who don't know me, my name's Shane Smith. I used to be a meteorologist, and now I teach media at a local high school. I really enjoy my job, and I'm always telling my kids that they need to work hard at what they're doing and keep just getting out and practicing. There's no better teacher for learning how to do video or graphics than making them. So that's what I'm hoping to do with this channel, is become a better media maker and show you guys some of the tips and tricks I know to do it, and maybe throw in some stuff I like cooking and travel. We'll just have to see how it goes. But my goal in 2019 is 1 video a week, and I think we're going to pull it off, aren't we, Bray? Look at that face. That face. Cute puppy face. All right. So, my name is Shane Smith, and I'm looking forward to teaching you about media.